Oh, my phone is running out of battery.
It's okay, let's leave it to me. It will be fully charged soon.
Sure. But your phone is also charging. Yours won't be slow if we charge together.
Take it easy, it won't be affected.
Thank you.
Why I'm so confident about the charger? Cause mine is different from those ordinary chargers. 2-port chargers in the market need at least 2 ICs for fast charging simultaneously. But my charger only needs one piece of HT6000 series IC to replace 2 ICs for 2-port fast charging. With dedicated technology, the cost of the product can be greatly reduced by 50% or more. Each independent channel can provide a maximum of 30 watt output power, providing fast charging for 2 devices simultaneously. My charger is also compatible to QC3.0 Type A and PD3.0 Type C fast charging protocol, and applicable to most mainstream smart devices. See, your phone is now fully charged.
Wow, it's a really nice charger. Thank you so much. See you.
See you. Dual-port fast charging, empowering your life.